Alright, language explorers. So, let's look at today's Spanish word of the day into English with British English ASMR with T. So, aprieto. 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 Predicament. Predicament. Oof. I am in a predicament. How did we get into this predicament? Oh, how did we get into this predicament? What a strange predicament. What a strange predicament. But when you're in a predicament, drink some tea. Yeah. When you're in a predicament, drink some tea and relax. Relax. Yeah. How? Well, why are you in that predicament? Why? I am not sure how I got into this predicament. Oops, predicament. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah. But it is a strange predicament. That was a strange predicament. He is always in strange predicaments. He is always in strange predicaments. They are. He is. They are in a strange predicament. Oops. They are in a strange predicament. He is in a strange predicament. There. Okay. It is a strange predicament. But tea will help you. Tea. How cool is that? So, aprieto. Predicament. Do you like this predicament? No. It is an uncomfortable predicament. Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Yeah. No. But some predicaments are nice to have. Yeah. This predicament is nice, is comfortable with tea. How cool is that? So, aprieto. Predicament. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.